How to make photos and videos in one video. So if you want to basically edit a video using both videos and photos, add them in between each other on top of each other, we're going to achieve this by using the help of a free app, CapCut. Now this app is available for both Android, iPhones, and even on websites or the PC versions. Download and launch the CapCut app, and it is a free version of the CapCut application, so you have to deal with the ads, unfortunately. But what you can do after you come here is first is you can go to templates and you can choose 12 video or photo template or any of the photo or video template that you want. So let's say here you can say this is the template that I want. Some of them will require a premium version, so that's what you don't want. So if you want premium, you can go ahead and do that, but you can select this. Otherwise, without the template also, you can edit manually by tapping the new project option. You can add a couple of photos right here, so let me just select a couple of photos. Similarly, you can go to videos and add a couple of videos as well, then just hit the add button. Now you can see it will automatically add the photos. If you do not like where the photo is placed, you can select that, or you can increase the duration of that particular video. If you can also increase the duration of the photo right here, just based on whatever it is that you want, right? So if I go ahead and play it, you can see I have created photos along with video. If I want a photo on top of video, then I can just go to overlay, then I can tap on add overlay, select another video or photo on top of it, which will be added just right here, and I can even pinch in or pinch out to zoom in or zoom that particular video out like this. So this is how I'll be able to go ahead and basically make photos and videos in one video. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.